Hi, this is Shushil from Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. In today's video about conditional formatting, I'll be explaining you how can I use the use of between condition. As you can see, this is my data. You can download this sample file from my description. I'm giving you a data here with some numbers over here, and I'm saying that I want between 4 and 10 I want in pink color, between 11 and 20 I want in orange color, 21 and 40 I want in brown. So you select this table first, this entire table, click on your home tab, click on conditional formatting, and there's an option in highlight cell rules mein. There's an option called as between. Click on an option called as between. Now the condition first is between 4 and 10. So you type here instead of 17, which is showing here, write 4 over here, tab, and here you write 10. That is between 4 and 10. I want in pink color. So click on this arrow sign for the color, custom format. I want fill, so I'll go for fill option, and I want in pink color. So if it's not to be seen here, so click on more colors, take the color pink, and say OK. OK. So my first statement is over. OK. And next statement is 11 and 20. I want in orange color. Again, click on your home tab, conditional formatting, highlight, between, and here now you say your 11, and here it should be 20. Tab if you press, you can go to the next 20. Click on this arrow sign over here, custom format. Click on your fill. Orange we want, so orange is this. If it's not to be right, you can click on more standard way. Orange, yeah, this is orange. Okay, okay, okay. My second statement also is done. Third is I want in brown, 21 and 40. Again, click on your home tab. See that the data is selected. If it's not selected, it will not come. Formatting, highlight, between. My last statement is 21 and 40. So if it is between 21 and 40, arrow, custom format. I want in brown color, it should be. If it is there, here, fine. Okay, brown is here. Okay, okay. See. So according to this condition, it is giving you the colors. If you want to change, you can set this. Again, click on your home tab. Conditional formatting will come. Manage rule. For example, this orange is there. I would like to change. Click. Edit rule. You can come. Condition also is right. If you want to change anything, you can change that also. Format. Orange I wanted. That is this orange. Okay. 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 So you can see that color is changed. So with between 4 and 10, it's coming in pink. Between 11 and 20, it's coming orange, and 21 and 40 is coming in brown color. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next